Alright, episode 4. Today is demo only. We're tearing out all the black drywall and maybe a little bit of the subfloor in the kitchen to see what's down there as far as support goes. But yeah, gonna try to save all the bedrooms because they're not too smoked out or messed up. Alright, dump closes at 12. We can only make one run today. Better start tearing it out. Alright, the living room is officially probably about as gutted as I'm going to take it. Probably going to cut out this subfloor right here though, a couple feet from the kitchen wall, because it's probably just disgusting from that big hole above it. And I need to access that beam down there anyway. So anyway, I'm not sure how much more drywall I'm tearing out. Probably this bathroom, just because it's small, but and really bad. But and maybe this last little bit of the hallway here. But everything else is probably salvageable. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one load to the dump, and then let you know how much that costs. It's gonna be a new dump, so the prices might be different. The other dump isn't open on Saturdays.